Okay, I will be discussing a mistake that Newton made with his theory of gravity, with his G equals capital G universal constant, M1, M2 divided R squared. That has, you don't multiply the mass of the moon by the mass of the earth and then divide them by the distance between them. You are describing something more massive than the sun itself. Obviously wrong. But with this, the gravitational constant is derived from mass divided R squared. Then when that's divided by 9.806, you get G. And that's what it's based on. And M1, M2 divided R squared, that's, I think Newton actually used the Earth and the Moon as an example of his gravity. And that's what M1 and M2 actually represent in his work, is the Earth and the Moon. I've actually researched this online. And so R squared is a six-sided dice. From the center of the cube to any corner is the radius. And that radius along any edge is R squared. That is what Newton describes with universal constant times mass divided R squared. From the center of the die to each corner will give you pyramids, 6 pyramids. All sides are equal. We know this thanks to Egypt 4,000 years ago. Now, to describe a spherical cap, A would be, if we draw a line straight down inside the Earth to create a cap, we can just go to the outside for the radius, and that's A. H would be from where the center of the radius is, and then going up to the top, that's A. And so when you square this distance times this distance and multiply it by pi, you have the surface of the spherical cap. And then so if this were the spherical cap formula, when mass is divided by the spherical cap formula, then when that is right here divided by the velocity of gravity, we have the universal constant.